Hello, we're back with part two, step two, whatever you want to call it, for learning JavaScript. First step, we looked at the alert hello world. In this next step, I'll introduce you to console.log. And let's see what MDM has, or Google has to say it from MDM. I like to go to MDN, the web Mozilla Docs, and Google has helpfully extracted it for us. Console.log method outputs a message to the web console. So Control Shift I, or in my instructions that I have here, you can open the Firefox DevTools from the menu by selecting Tools, Web Developer Tools. So let's try that. Where's my menu? I press Alt, looking for a menu. I don't know how to get to a file menu these days. Oh, this one right here. So it is, I forgot what it said, more tools, web developer tools right there. Control Shift I is the shortcut. There's many ways you can hit inspect. If you close it, you can right click, hit inspect. But I prefer Control Shift I. Anyhow, once you're here, you're actually in the inspector. Navigate the console, and I'll change that here. You can open it, and then I'll say open. When you first open the DevTools, you will likely see the inspector tab. Click the console tab. Close that. All right. Console tab. We are on like Shaka Khan, and this is our hello HTML world. Let's see that it still works. There's the alert hello world. Now, if we change the alert to a console.log log and save the file and reload it, there it is. Hello world has now been output to the DevTools instead of the alert. And it's as simple as that, folks. We will move on eventually to more console.logs, I'm sure. But let's say you have a var a equals 10. Console.log a. There we go. Save that. Reload hello world and 10. And it's really cool, isn't it? You can put a message in front of that a. Hello. This is a. And then reload. This is a 10. If we create let b equals 33 and stick b next to a with a comma and reload, it'll say this is a 1033. So you can stick messages anywhere you want. This is b. You can do a console.log more here, so on and so forth, and save it. I realize I am cutting off some of the HTML, but that's it. And if we reload, we get our more here. That's it, console.log. It's that simple, folkies. Have fun.